Good morning and happy Saturday to everyone, and I hope you are all doing fine, safe and healthy. So today I'm gonna make a smoothie. So it's just so humid and the weather is very hot, so this is very perfect on summer. So I have this is one banana, this is one orange without seeds, it's seedless, and one kiwi fruit, two kiwi fruit. And I have here a low fat yogurt, and I'll be using as well a honey. I have honey here. I'm not using sugar, and we will be using ice cubes. So that's all, guys. Very simple. We just have to put everything in a mixer. So here we put it in, and our orange, kiwi, and we'll be needing a yogurt as well. So for yogurt, I'm putting like 3 heaped tablespoons. There's 1, 2, and 3. And then grind this. Then we have to add our ice cubes. I'm putting 5 ice cubes and grind it together. No, yes, and then I'll put also, I'm gonna put my honey as well. For honey, I'm just putting like half tablespoon, because fruits it has a sugar. It has a natural sugar, the fruit, so it doesn't require actually it doesn't require honey, but honey is healthy, so that's why I'm putting just half tablespoon of honey. Okay, this is done. And now our smoothie mix fruits is ready. So here, this is how it is. It has a little of sourness from the orange, but it's really very nice. It's really blend well with other vegetables. With other fruits. Sweet and sour kind of, but it's very nice. It's very healthy. I hope guys you like my smoothie recipe today. Until to my next one. Bye. Happy weekend.